Well, here we are pulling into a remote dump site where people bring their trash. A couple of 6-yard dumpsters, and you get to see how it's done. It's just amazing what people leave behind in these things. Some stuff that's perfectly good, some that's actually trash. Carrier and blade pull everything right up into the truck. Run it a couple times to get it to clear out the hopper. Bring her down. Then we get to go in and back in on the second one. What also helps with this truck, it also has a backup camera. Yes, we're technological like that. Ooh. Big miss on that one. So not the greatest the second time, but it happens. Good God, anyone want to buy a orbital machine? With it being summer, the dumpsters aren't as full here. They're more full at the lakes. But it makes my job a little bit easier on these days. Not much, just a little. Use our 12,000 pound winch, raise her up, and do it again. And these cylinders on these trucks are strong enough to crush a pickup. So thus ends our little adventure.